Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today, I want to show you how to easily create a plus content for your Amazon KDP account, and why you should be creating a plus content for all your books to increase your sales potential. The website I will show you today is called bookbrush.com. This website allows you to create 3D book renders, video book trailers, book covers, etc. So to create a plus content, what you need to use is the custom creator. You then need to press the Amazon icon and choose which of the templates you want to use. If you are not familiar with a plus content, it's basically the extra stuff you see under the description of some books, when you scroll down. Amazon recently started allowing independent authors to use a plus content on KDP. When you create a plus content on KDP, you have to choose which module you want to use, and then upload your graphics. You can either choose a standard company logo, or one of the other modules. You can also use as many modules as you want. If you want to add more, simply click on the Add Module button. After you pick which template to use, you can then add a bunch of graphic elements to create your A+ content. The most interesting thing about this website is that you can choose book templates that you want to use to turn your covers into 3D renders. From there, you can add text, backgrounds, or anything you want. But if you are lazy and want to quickly create a plus content for your KDP books, then you can check the Community Templates tab and choose the one that you like. You can also filter the community templates by platform, in case you want to promote your books on other platforms, like Facebook for example. After you find a template that you want to use, all you have to do is upload your cover, and add it to the book template. You can change the template settings if you want to change how it looks. After you finish creating your A+ content, all you have left to do is download the image you made and upload it to your KDP account. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, and subscribe for any future videos like this. Thanks for watching.